Hello, my name is Chris Mudrow. I'm the principal here at Mountain View Elementary. We are fortunate to have an assembly this morning sponsored by the Harlem Globetrotters and KSL. They are going to come out and do an anti-bullying assembly for us. One of our students was selected out of all the students in Utah. Sophia is part of our student council here, and she wanted to make a difference, and she wanted to do something that was going to be good for the school.
I entered her into a contest that KSL was advertising for, and she won. So today the KSL team and the Harlem Globetrotters will be here to surprise her. So about a couple months ago, my daughter was interested in doing a sock drive for the homeless. So we decided to contact a local homeless shelter, and she presented the sock drive to the student council. And so they started the Socktober, and so in the month of October they were going to be collecting socks for this homeless shelter.
I came into the assembly and my teachers told me it was just going to be about drugs, and little did I know they were going to be talking about Socktober. And when they called me up, they said Sophia, and I know there's multiple of us, and I was like, there's no way that's me. And then when they said my last name, I was like, that's me, uh-oh. And I was really nervous, and they taught me that there's a lot of ways to handle bullying, and now I know how to help other people going through it. And I want to say thank you to my mom and dad who gave me the idea, and all the kids at the school who helped, because when they asked the question, how many people have donated socks, I saw all those hands, and I had a warm feeling inside.
It's an amazing feeling to be able to surprise the kids. I remember being in grade school, I remember being in the 5th grade, and anytime I got the chance to come outside of the classroom and have an assembly, it was always fun. I just had a chance to speak with Sophia. I just had a chance to thank her. And when we're able to do things like that and see someone else pass it forward and do things of that gesture she did was amazing.